Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a delicious and simple eggplant fry. So let's get started. Let's gather our ingredients. You will need eggplant, semolina, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, and 2 beaten eggs. For our flavorful masala, we will use half spoon of cumin powder, half spoon of salt, 1 spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of coriander powder, and half spoon of red chili powder. Slice the eggplants into rounds and make small cuts in them. This will help the masala penetrate and infuse more flavor. In a bowl, mix ginger and garlic paste with our special spice mix. Coat the eggplant slices with this mix and let them rest for 10 minutes. Beat 2 eggs and have your semolina ready for coating the eggplants. Dip each masala coated eggplant size into the beaten eggs and then coat them with semolina. Heat the pan with 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the eggplant slices. Cook them on medium heat until they turn golden brown. Flip them to cook the other side as well. Once they are done, transfer them into a plate. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Serve it hot and enjoy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you have any questions, please leave them in a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious, simple, healthy and easy recipes.